Affordable Classics here in Glassstone, Oregon. You look at a good example of a beautiful 69 Cadillac Coupe Deville convertible. Front bumper, nicely chrome, stainless, headlight bezels, parking lights, very nice. Chrome rims, disc brakes in the front, beautiful lines. Just nice paint job. This car was restored several years ago. It's still very presentable. As you notice, the convertible top with the glass in the back. No cracks, no issues. Rear bumpers very nicely chrome. Dual exhaust. The lines are just gorgeous. Fender skirts. All the glass is all original throughout the car. Door panels. Dash, seats, very nice. Here the engine compartment, just gorgeous, very nice. Air conditioned car, disc brakes. Brakes look like it was just done. This is a 472, 375 horse. Nice V8 that gets you going anywhere you want to go. Power steering also. Oh, let me show you. It has a security switch right underneath, where you can turn it on and off. Nice and easy to close. Here again, door panels, power windows, power seats, tilt steering, telescopic steering wheel. Door shuts very nice. Trunk, very presentable. Show you the windows. All the windows go down. Power top, very nice. See ya.